Welcome back guys, the DJI Mini 3 drone is the newest and smallest from DJI's lineup of consumer drones. As a successor to the popular DJI Mini 2, it promises to be even more compact, portable and easy to fly, while also improving on the camera quality and features of its predecessor. In this review, we'll take a closer look at the DJI Mini 3 drone, its features and its performance to help you decide if it's the best mini drone to get right now. DJI clearly listened to all the drone fans out there and made the Mini 3 absolutely irresistible from a features versus price perspective. It has 249 grams, it has 38 minutes of flight time, shoots in 4K HDR with the new larger sensor, supports vertical shootings, quick shots and panorama for artistic shots, and level 5 wind resistance. Let's dive in and talk about all the specs. The DJI Mini 3 is very compact and lightweight, weighing only 249 grams, making it small enough to fit in the palm of your hand. Despite its small size, it feels well built and sturdy with a high quality finish that gives it a premium feel. The drone's propellers can be easily removed for storage. Also features a foldable design that makes it even more compact for storage and travel. When folded, the drone is roughly the size of a smartphone, making it easy to carry in your pocket or backpack. The small weight under 250 grams is a big plus and makes this drone perfect for traveling. Because you don't have to get a license like in the case for heavy drones, in most of the countries you just need to register it and you are good to go. This makes it so much easier for beginners to get into drones. One of the key improvements of the DJI Mini 3 over its predecessors is its camera quality. The Mini 3 offers a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor with 12 megapixels and an f1.7 aperture, which is capable of recording video at resolutions up to 4K at 30 frames per second with HDR. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis motorized gimbal, which provides smooth and stable footage even in windy conditions, as you will see in my samples. You can shoot also in 24, 25 and 30 FPS, and with the 2.7K or Full HD resolution, it supports up to 60 FPS. The videos are really high quality and sharp, and you can also switch to the Pro mode, where you can manually change the ISO, shutter speed and the white balance. But in auto mode, you get really high quality videos and photos from this drone. You also get 2x zoom for your shots if needed. One of the downsides of the DJI Mini 3's camera versus the Mini 3 Pro is that it does not support 4K video at 60 FPS, which may be a deal breaker for some users. However, for most, the Mini 3's camera should be more than sufficient for capturing high quality footage for social media or personal use. This drone also supports true vertical shooting of photos and videos, so you can use them easily on social media without the need to edit them first. It uses the whole camera sensor without losing any quality. The DJI Mini 3 is incredibly easy to fly even for beginners. It has a variety of intelligent camera features that make it easy to capture professional looking footage. In the quick shot modes, you can automatically create cinematic shots with the push of a button, while the panorama mode stitches together multiple photos to create stunning wide-angle images. To use the quick shot modes like drone, helix, rocket, circle and boomerang, you select an area on the screen and the drone flies around it creating cinematic shots. You need to make sure it has enough room to perform them, as the Mini 3 does not have collision sensor, and that's another downside compared to the Mini 3 Pro. Because of the extra collision sensors on the back and on the front, the Mini 3 Pro can also follow you with a feature called Active Track. The DJI Mini 3 has a variety of safety features that make it suitable for pilots of all skill levels. The drone features GPS and downward-facing sensors that help it maintain its position and avoid obstacles. And the automatic return to home feature ensures that the drone will return to its takeoff point if it loses connection with the remote controller or runs low of battery. It has a range of up to 10 kilometers in perfect conditions and can go up to 120 meters in height. The maximum transmission range can vary, of course, in urban areas because of the interferences, from 1.5 kilometers to 6 kilometers in range. I got the drone with the DJI RC controller that features a touchscreen, but you can also get it with the N1 controller that is cheaper. Though I would recommend it to get the RC controller as it makes it so much easier to start flying right away. It has an integrated touchscreen with 700 nits of brightness and an Android interface, and it eliminates the need to attach and connect your phone to the controller. You don't need to worry about someone calling you or the battery life. You just start it up and fly. The metal joysticks are really easy to use and can be removed for storage. Besides the buttons for the return to home, flight mode and power, it also has two dedicated buttons for photo and video, two rotative switches to adjust gimbal position and zoom, but also two customizable buttons on the back. The controller has a USB-C charging port and a microSD card slot, besides the integrated 4GB of memory. Battery life is an important consideration for any drone, and the DJI Mini 3 is no exception. The Mini 3 comes equipped with a 2453 mAh battery that is rated to provide up to 38 minutes of flight time on a single charge. However, actual flight times may vary depending on factors such as wind conditions, temperature, and the level of usage of the drone. It actually lasts longer than the one on the Mini 3 Pro because the drone itself has less sensors, so less power consumption. The battery is small and lightweight, which contributes to the drone's overall portability and ease of use. It's also easy to install and remove, making it convenient to swap out batteries for longer flights or keep a spare on hand. To help users keep track of the battery level, the DJI Mini 3 includes a battery status indicator on the remote controller and in the DJI Fly app, but also on the drone itself. This makes it easier to monitor the remaining battery life during flights and ensure that you have enough power to safely return the drone to its landing spot. The drone has a low battery warning system that alerts the user when the battery level is getting low. It also includes a return to home feature that automatically brings the drone back to its takeoff point if the battery level drops too low. Let's now talk about the price of this drone. The DJI Mini 3 can be bought in multiple configurations. If you get the drone only, it costs 489 euros. With the basic N1 remote, it costs 579 euros. But as I said, you will need a phone that slides in the brackets on top of the remote. So I still think the best choice is to get the pack that includes the excellent RC remote with the color touchscreen, and this can be found for around 749 euros. There's also the Fly More combo, which gives the total package to the price of 938 euros, and this is the one I've got for its excellent value for money. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is a comprehensive package that includes everything you need to get the most out of your DJI Mini 3 drone. In addition to the drone itself, the Fly More combo includes additional batteries, propellers, and the charging hub, as well as a carrying case. So you get a total of 3 batteries, allowing you to extend your flight time to over 90 minutes. This is especially useful if you plan to use the drone for extended periods of time, such as when traveling or on a photo or video shoot. The extra propellers for your DJI Mini 3 drone are the same high quality foldable propellers that come with the DJI Mini 3 drone. But the most important key component of the Fly More combo is the charging hub. The charging hub is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport with you when traveling or on the go. There is also a custom designed carrying case for your DJI Mini 3 drone and accessories. The case is made out of high quality materials and is designed to protect your drone and accessories during transport. It has custom compartments for each component of the Fly More combo, ensuring that everything stays organized and secure. Overall, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is an excellent value for those who want to get the most out of their DJI Mini 3 drone. Alright guys, so this drone sums up to be one of the most complete packages on the market right now. It's fully packed with features like HDR 4K video recording, a bigger sensor with an f1.7 aperture and great dynamic range, long battery life, quick shot cinematics, panorama shots, vertical shooting, and a really easy to use interface for beginners. Even though it lacks a few features that the Mini 3 Pro has, Its price is also much lower, so I think it makes it a perfect combination of price versus features. I will soon do a comparison of the features between the Mini 3 and the Mini 3 Pro, so stay tuned. I think this drone is perfect for anyone who wants a new drone at a great price, and also the benefits of taking great quality photos and videos, including vertical shots for social media. But let me know in the comments below what you think about the Mini 3. Is it really the perfect entry-level drone for you? Would you go for this or for the 3 Pro? Also, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe to help this channel grow, and I'll see you guys in the next one.